Hey guys, today we're trying out a new place here in Jogja. It was recommended in this book called In and Around Jogja. So we found this market here that apparently they sell different birds and different decorative plants, maybe some fish and other animals. On page 116 in this book, it has pasty. So come along with us today as we explore Pasar Pasti. They're also selling bananas here and specialized food for the birds. Oh, ada apa lagi? Ini apa ini?
Namanya bed.
Oh, kelelawar.
Kelelawar.
Oh, kelelawar. Ini jualnya berapa?
Apa?
Berapa satu? 400. Ini untuk pelihara atau makan?
Ya, untuk bisa dipelihara.
400 ya? Wow. Apa namanya ini?
Ini tupai.
Oh, ini.
Kalau di rumah saya, kamu bisa ambil foto.
Oh begitu?
Di nenek saya,
ya.
Punya pabrik kopi.
Oh, pabrik kopi.
So this man's pretty nice. He's giving us a tour of some of his animals and also inviting us to his house so we can see more.
More birds.
Wow, they have a ton of birds here.
Yeah.
Lots of them. Look at these little tiny green and yellow ones.
It's so small.
They're also selling roosters. I don't know, they might be for fighting.
I read something about those birds are supposed to be like that.
Here they've got some food. What are they? Worms?
Worms.
Worms for the birds.
Oh ya. Ya.
Yeah.
Ini nanti menjadi apa?
Jadi kupu.
Kupu. Oh
Yeah.
begitu.
And crickets. Oh, take a look at these birds. They're so pretty. They look like parrots. So they also have these cute little chicks if you need a purple, green, or yellow, or pink chicken. They're pretty cute, but it makes me kind of sad to think about how they got their color.
Here, you can do this one.
Look at this little guy. He's got a hairdo. I think he's been to the salon. They're also selling some rabbits and also a great big snake and some snapping turtles.
Like a little fuzzy white cloud.
Oh, they're cute.
Those rabbit money in there, sir.
Oh yeah, yeah. Datang. Little guy.
You think you can
Coba dagang.
What's he got there? What? Whenever I see hedgehogs, I think of Beata. So Beata, this is for you.
This is freckles. But Mama, they have the... on the wheel, Mama.
Not very active though. And some little sleepy little kitties. I think he's pretty excited about his life. Okay, so that is Pasar Pasti here in Bantul. So it's pretty cool, kind of like a open air pet store, bird store, turtles, hamster, lots and lots of accessories, bird cages, and things like that. So it's been fun. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you've been here before, let me know your experience. Do you own a bird? What kind of birds do you guys like? And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.
Bye.